I'm going to teach you how to put text over an image in Google Slides. This is a fantastic way to make your presentations more engaging, combining strong visuals with clear messaging. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, open Google Slides by navigating to the website. If you're not signed in, log into your Google account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create an account. It's free and gives you access to all of Google's tools. Once you're on the home page, you can start a blank presentation or choose a pre-designed template. For this tutorial, we'll use a blank slide, but feel free to explore templates that suit your presentation style. They can save time and give your slides a polished look from the start. Now that your presentation is open, it's time to add an image. Go to the menu bar, click on Insert, and select Image. You can upload an image from your computer, Google Drive, or search the web directly within Slides. Pick the image you want and insert it. Once it's on the slide, adjust its size and position by clicking and dragging the corners or the image itself. Make sure it's proportionate and fits well with the overall slide layout. Next, we'll add text over the image. Click the text box icon in the toolbar or go to Insert and select Text Box. Click anywhere on the slide to create your text box and type in your message. Customize the font, size, color, and even style to make sure it stands out against the background. You can move the text box around until it's in the perfect position. To make sure your text is visible, you need to send the image to the background. Click the image, go to the Arrange menu, hover over, Order, and select Send to Back. This ensures your text appears on top and remains readable. For added clarity, you can also adjust the transparency or add a subtle shadow to your text so it pops more against the image. And that's it. With these steps, you've successfully added text over an image in Google Slides, enhancing both the visual appeal and the clarity of your presentation. Don't forget to experiment with fonts, colors, and positioning to make each slide unique and professional. The more you practice, the faster and more creative you'll become at combining visuals and text. Thanks for watching.